Yesterday, there was a rumor circulating online, allegedly that an ex-governor of Delta State paid the sum of $30,000 to Southeast lawmakers for them to vote against Anioma State. $30,000 in Nigeria currency is 43,500,000 naira. When we posted it, some of our Igbo brothers in the comment section were saying, that rumor, you not get head, now just rumor, not be true. Southeast politicians not go stoop so low to take 43 million. What is 43 million? 43 million is too small to bribe our politicians in the Southeast. Our Southeast politicians want Anioma State. 43 million is nothing. Forget it. It's a rumor. Some Southeast politicians can betray Igbo nation for any amount of money. Person will get the spirit of greed, selfishness, betrayal. He go take 20 million to sabotage Igbo nation. It can't be 43 million. Politicians where be say they're not the joke with opportunity. Politicians where be say they go give them project, they go come out money from that project. You would think say 30 million small for where politician dey. You would think say 20 million small for where politician dey. Big man still dey find money. Politician where they steal public funds. So because you dey hear say some politicians for Nigeria they steal 2 trillion naira, 3 trillion naira, 2 billion naira. You can't dey feel say if these people see 20 million, say they not go steal them. The money that politicians are looking for is not money that they will just eat today. It's what they will eat 10 years later, 20 years later, 50 years later. Now you go give them 43 million, you talk say you not go collect. Politicians were greedy, see 43 million as big money. Politicians were not greedy, see 43 million as big money. It takes only self-control and self-worth to reject such amount of money. The ones where go reject them, now those ones where be say they really want that Anioma State because they know the importance of Anioma State to Igbo nation. Those politicians don't see say the Igbo unification movement is doing everything possible to see that Igbo nation unites. Those politicians know say what Igbo nation needs right now is unity. Those politicians know say now only unity go save Igbo nation. Those politicians know say that money whether they give them to bribe them is not important compared to Anioma State. So now self-worth go make a politician to reject such amount of money. No money is too small for a big man. Some of our Igbo brothers they talk say it's just a rumor, it can never happen. Those our brothers now know say the Igbo unification movement is fighting a very big battle. Igbo unification movement where they see so. Now big war we dey fight, but some of our brothers no know. If you know the number of people that are fighting the creation of Anioma State and the Southeast zoning, you know go dey make such statements. They thought say it's just a rumor. What if the rumor is true? It's called a rumor because if it be true, if it not be true, information where be say is being confirmed, it can't spread. They go call them rumor. The one where be say it's not confirmed, it can't spread. They go still call them rumor. Don't take rumors for granted. There are people in those states that are fighting the creation of Anioma State. Oba of Benin they do everything possible to make sure say Ibanke and other Igbo speaking communities in those states not join Anioma State. You think as we agitate for Anioma State, say our enemies not go team up? As it be say our enemies get the same interests, they can team up to fight Anioma State creation and the Southeast zoning. The interest of the Oba of Benin is to make sure that those Igbo communities in Edo State don't join Anioma, so that he go dey milk the crude oil where dey Ibanke land. He wants to take over Ibanke land so that he go dey enjoy the crude oil and gas where dey for the land of Ibanke people. Oba of Benin dey claim say na him get the entire Edo South. He dey claim say na him get the land of Ijaw people wey dey Edo State. The Ijaws in Edo State are indigenous in that land. Oba of Benin dey claim say na him get their land. He dey claim say na him get the land of the indigenous Igbos in Edo State. That's why if you see Benin people online, all of them dey fight Anioma State. Now, some forces for this Anioma land dey fight against the creation and zoning of Anioma State to the southeast. Before that politician go bring out 43 million naira they give southeast lawmakers, is for you to know that these people are so desperate to jeopardize the creation of Anioma State and the southeast zoning. Those are Igbo brothers that are saying that it's just a rumor. Stop saying that it's a rumor. Even if it's a rumor, work towards it. Benin Kingdom is fighting the creation of Anioma State because they know say if we get Anioma State, the indigenous Igbos in Edo State must join Anioma State. Internal forces from this Anioma land, they fight the creation of Anioma State. You will be surprised to know that some selfish politicians from the southeast are fighting Anioma State so that their own state that they are agitating for will come true. The battle for Anioma State not be small thing. It's a very big battle. A rumor might be true. A rumor might not be true. If we hear any rumor where we say that rumor is against our interests, it's expected of us to start acting very fast and make sure we protect our interests and fight that rumor to the last. Now waiting wise people they do. Now waiting clever people they do. Now waiting intelligent people they do. Stop saying it's just a rumor. Those politicians from Anioma that are fighting the creation of Anioma State and the southeast zoning, they can go any lengths to make sure that they jeopardize Anioma State creation and the southeast zoning. They tell you say they share 43 million give politicians. You dey tell say it's not possible. 43 million is too small. Do you know what is 43 million? How many people for this country get 43 million for their account? We are doing this video calling on our southeast politicians to take notes. Whether the rumor are true or not be true, we are making this video for them to know that we heard something. We are making this video so that our southeast politicians will call themselves to order. Governor Alex Oti from Abia State, take notes. Call those politicians in Abia State to order concerning this Anioma State issue. Make sure none of them takes bribe against Anioma State. Governor Soludo, make sure no politician from Anambra State takes bribe to jeopardize Anioma State. Governor Hope Uzodinma of Imo State, make sure you call the politicians in Imo State to order, not to jeopardize Anioma State. Governor Francis Nwifuru from Ebonyi State, call the politicians in Ebonyi State to order. Make sure they don't jeopardize the creation of Anioma State. Governor Peter Mba of Enugu State, make sure Enugu State politicians don't take bribe to jeopardize Anioma State. We know say if Southeast make their stand say na Anioma State they want, no politician from Anioma land go fit stop am. We made it clear in our rally on the 15th of December 2025 that those our politicians from Anioma that signed against the zoning of Anioma State to the southeast, that they are not representing us. So many of our kings in Oshimiri and Yocha, so many of our people from Ukwuani land, so many of our people from Ika land are saying that they want Anioma State to be zoned to the southeast for us to coexist with our brothers. Those politicians that we are seeing from Anioma that are signed against Anioma State are paid actors. Imagine local government chairmen where they represent Oshimiri and Anyocha people. They sign against the zoning of Anioma State to the southeast. But the traditional rulers, where their local governments, they support the creation of Anioma state to the southeast. This is for you to know that those politicians are not representing us. If na referendum they wan do, may they bring that referendum come for we the masses where the Anioma land to vote, and we will prove to the world that majority of Anioma people want Anioma state to be created as zone to the southeast. We will surely win that referendum. How many our politicians dey? How many they dey? All those politicians wey sign all those nonsense, they not pass 20 something people, they not reach 30 people. Those politicians are not representing us. They're just selfish people. People will not get direction. People will not know their left to right. People will not fit bring development come their community, and they won't tell us where the Guzon and Anioma states go. You dey see failures as politicians, you dey call them politicians. People that are not honorable. People wey be say, not be we who vote them enter that place. Now who no person carry them put for that place where they dey. Your constituents, they thought they want join southeast. You they thought you know make them join southeast. The rally that we did on the 15th of December 2025 is proof that majority of Anioma people want Anioma state to be created as zone to the southeast. We Anioma people, we are Igbo people. Our southeast politicians, I'm calling on all of you to support Senator Ned Nwoko and make sure that all of you stand with Anioma state. Any politician from southeast wey go come dey talk otherwise, know say that politician don collect bribe to sabotage the creation of Anioma state. If southeast talk say na Anioma state they want, no politician from Anioma go fit stop am. No politician go fit stop am. How many kings for this Anioma they talk say they don't want to make Anioma state join southeast? Now only Asaba of Asaba and Dey of Abo. Asaba of Asaba is just the king of Asaba alone. How many acres of land be Asaba? Asaba is too small. Make it come be saying na Asaba of Asaba they control the entire Anioma people. He just the Asaba of Asaba. He's not the one representing we Anioma people. Not being they represent we Ukwuani people. Dey of Abo is just the king of that community. Abo is a single community in the land. So no be these two kings go tell we Anioma people where we go dey. They are just giving their own opinion. If those our people for Ukwuani land they talk, as Asaba of Asaba and Dey of Abo they talk that thing, our people go tell them say we Ukwuani people we want join southeast. Anybody wey talk say no want join southeast, make he pack in load go south go stay, or make the community of that person be south. Only our people can be south. Only Asaba can be south. The only thing we go connect on to other south states now that Asaba Bini Expressway. Okpanam and others, they be southeast, they be Anioma, they make only Asaba and Abo be south. Asaba of Asaba and Dey of Abo cannot tell we Anioma people where we should be zoned to. Now we Anioma people go talk where we won't be. Anioma state must be created and zoned to the southeast. Southeast politicians, make una not make us lose this chance. If you people support the creation of Anioma state and the southeast zoning, nothing any politician for Anioma can do about it. Whether the rumor is true or false, we must do everything possible and make sure that we protect our interests. Ishia Gwale.